management level. Okay, so management level consists of 3 levels: top level, middle, and lower level. So who are the people in the top level? So they are Chief Executive Officer, President, Board of Director, and so on. So this top level management are responsible to set the goals of the organization. Okay, set goals, objective, policy, strategy, and they make long-term decision for the company. Now for middle level, okay, so they are marketing manager, human resource manager, financial manager, administrative manager, and this middle level management, they are responsible to interpret top management direction into daily plan, meaning they receive instruction from top level and spread out the message to the lower level. Okay, first level management or lower level management, they are known as a supervisor, head of department, head of unit, and so on. So the first level management or lower level management, they are responsible to receive instruction from middle level, direct and support work of non-management personnel. Personnel refer to worker. And first level, they are responsible to make short-term decision. So short-term decision refer to daily operation. Okay, next. Managerial skills. So each of this level, they need a specific skills. For top manager, they need more conceptual skills. So conceptual skill refer to academic qualification, skills generated from academic qualification, because top manager, okay, they will use their mental capability to see the whole company as the relationship that exists among various parts in organization, meaning they need to see various part of company as a whole, secara menyeluruh. So this skill gives the manager ability to coordinate, integrate the organization, interest, and activity. So since the top manager are responsible to the whole organization, they will involve in long-term decision. Okay, long-term decision and long-term planning. For middle manager, since they are in the middle, so they need human skills, ability to interact and communicate with other employees from various levels. So here, they need to have an ability to motivate other employees, understand the situation of the other employees, and lead and communicate, which a manager needs throughout his work. Okay, first line level, they need more technical skills. So technical skills is a skills that use machines, equipment, okay, procedure, technique, and specific knowledge. For example, accountant, doctor, civil engineer, chef, tailor. Okay, they need special or specific knowledge related to their job because they are using equipment. Okay, now as you can see here, the pyramid is the 3 level of management. For top level management, as I mentioned earlier, top level management, they need more conceptual skills, average human skills, and less technical skills. For middle level management, they need more human skills. Okay, more human skills, average conceptual, and less technical skills. For lower level management, they need more technical skills, average human skills, and they need less conceptual skills. Next, Mintzberg managerial roles. So these roles was introduced by Henry Mintzberg. So Henry Mintzberg suggests there are three types of managerial roles: interpersonal, informational, and decisional. Next, for interpersonal roles, it refers to a roles that cover the relationship that involve manager with employees and people outside the organization. So people outside refer to public. Okay, public. So the first role under interpersonal role, they need to perform as a figurehead role. So figurehead are responsible performing ceremonial duties like greeting visitors, signing legal documents. So figurehead involved in majlis perasmian. Okay, memorandum. Next, leader. Leader means pemimpin. So a leader is a person who is responsible for hiring, training, and motivating workers in the organization. Number 3, liaison. So a person who perform and interact with the public. Okay, with the public, other people outside the organization, by which this liaison that are responsible to tell information that are important to the public. Okay, next, informational roles. So informational roles is a roles where manager receive and communicate the information to make the right decision. So there are 3 sub-component roles under informational roles. Firstly, manager need to monitor. Okay, monitor the environment. Why they need to monitor? Why they need to observe? Manager need to conduct observation because they want to find or collect information. Okay, they want to collect information. So once they have the information, then they need to perform a role as disseminator. So disseminator means the information that has on a manager will be transmitted to the worker, to the subordinate or employees. So information will be transmitted to employees inside company. Lastly, spokesperson. Spokesperson is known as juru cakap. Okay, information that has on our manager will be transmitted to people outside the organization. So meaning the information will be transmitted to the public. Okay, public. Lastly, decisional roles. So obviously, decisional roles is a roles whereby manager need to involve in making decisions that solve problem or analyze and take advantage of opportunity. So here there are 4 sub roles of decisional roles. Firstly is entrepreneur. So as entrepreneur, manager try to improve the unit and initiate changes. So to initiate changes, manager need to find opportunity for work, improvement, and grow the organization. So they need to find opportunity that can grow the organization. Number 2, disturbance handler. So disturbance handler is a role whereby manager need to handle conflicts, accidents, or any unexpected situation. Okay, whenever manager handle conflict, accidents or any unexpected situation, they are performing disturbance handler. Number 3, resource allocator. Now, resource allocator, manager is responsible in distributing or allocating the resources of the organization. So, resource in form of financial resources, information resources, human resources, materials, and so on. Lastly, negotiator. Manager is responsible for representing the organization at a major negotiation. So, that's all about this chapter, and thank you.